Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to sell your house quickly in San Antonio, Texas? Danny Buys Houses specializes in helping homeowners sell their house fast without the hassle. You can skip the repairs and skip paying thousands in agent fees. In this video, we walk you through who we are and how you can get a fast cash offer no matter the condition with our three-step process. So who is Danny Buys Houses? Well, I'm Danny Johnson and I've been buying houses for cash here in San Antonio for over 20 years now. We buy houses in any condition, so things that don't need any work at all to houses like this one. If you've got any kind of house, we'd love to talk with you about making a cash offer. Now let's get into that three-step process I talked about to show you how it works. Okay, the first step is to contact us. You can either give us a call at 210-881-7707 or go to DannyBuysHouses.com and fill out the fast cash offer form. Step 2 is to get your cash offer. We set an appointment to come and see the house. Now there's no need to clean anything, we're not there to judge. We're just looking at the potential that the house has. It only takes us about 15 to 30 minutes to look through the house, so it's not going to take your whole day. And step 3 is to close and get paid. You can choose your closing date in as little as 7 days, or if you need longer, we can work with that as well. We handle all the paperwork and close at a local title company. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to help. If you're ready to find out how much we can pay you for your house, go ahead and give us a call at 210-881-7707 or fill out the fast cash offer form and we'll get in touch with you. Be sure to check out all of our great reviews as we've helped hundreds of homeowners over the years.